Are you tired of juggling multiple appliances in your kitchen? Say hello to the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1, the smart, space-saving solution that does it all. This powerful device combines 7 kitchen essentials into one compact machine. It's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and food warmer, all in one. Cooking has never been this easy. With just the press of a button, you can make delicious meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods. From tender meats to fluffy rice, creamy soups, or homemade yogurt, the results are consistently perfect. The stainless steel inner pot is strong, non-toxic, and easy to clean. And guess what? It's dishwasher safe too. No mess, no stress. Plus, when you download the Instant Brands app, you unlock over 800 step-by-step recipes right at your fingertips. It's like having a personal chef in your pocket. Whether you're a busy parent, a beginner cook, or just looking to upgrade your kitchen game, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 is your perfect partner. Want to grab yours? Simply click the link in the video description to order now from Amazon and bring smart cooking home today. Cook smarter, live better with Instant Pot.